In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get OneDrive files back. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to begin the process by entering your credentials. Start by typing in the email address associated with your Microsoft account, as this is where your OneDrive files live. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button. This will lead you to a screen where you'll need to input your password. It's a vital step to ensure that only you have access to your files, maintaining your account security. After submitting your password, click Next once again. You might be prompted with the option to stay signed in. If you're working on your personal device, selecting Yes can save you time for future logins. However, if you're on a shared or public device, it's advisable to click No to protect your information. Once successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the menu and find All Microsoft. This section contains links to all of Microsoft's services and products. Here, what we're specifically focused on is OneDrive, the versatile cloud storage service by Microsoft. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, where the journey to recover your missing files continues. You might need to sign in once more. Although this step might feel a bit repetitive, it's all in the name of security. Microsoft ensures your data privacy with verification at each step. Once you enter OneDrive, you'll land on the home dashboard. This is your command center for everything tucked away in your cloud, whether it's photos, documents, videos, or more. Today, our goal is to head to the recycle bin. This is where all the files that have been deleted over the last 30 days reside, whether you intended to delete them or not. When you reach the recycle bin, you will see a list of files that can be recovered. It acts as a safety net for your digital life. You can browse through the list or use the search function if you have a specific file in mind. Once you've located the lost item, such as a spreadsheet or document, select it. You have the option to choose one or multiple files for recovery. The final step is simple: click on Restore. With just this click, you'll see your file move back to its original location as though it never left. It's really that simple: a few clicks and some navigation, and voila! Your files are back where they belong. Before we finish, here are a couple of additional tips. Regularly check your recycle bin on OneDrive, as you never know when you might need to retrieve a file. Also, consider using OneDrive's version history feature for your important documents. It can be a lifesaver if you ever need to revert to an earlier version. And there you have it. Now you know how to quickly and effectively recover deleted files from OneDrive. Losing a file can certainly be stressful, but as you've seen, getting them back doesn't have to be.